Chinwanzura is my name, and I'm a program director at Mutasa Medical Group. I was born and raised in Mutasa. My duty is to implement initiatives that aim to safeguard the Mutasa population from illness. My role is to work on initiatives that serve as the first line of defense against sickness in Mutasa district. Serving in this capacity is one of the greatest joys of my life because it allows me to give that teaches me. My goal is to implement a HIV/AIDS prevention program. HIV has caused the most anguish among my people, and this agony takes many forms, including financial, social, and physical pain. It is by far the worst thing that has ever happened in Mutasa district. The consequences of HIV/AIDS are devastating, and the Mutasa community has experienced it and is afraid, and have since coined the Shona nickname Shura Matongo, which translates to leaving houses empty. HIV causes AIDS and interferes with the body's ability to fight infections. The virus can be transmitted through contact with infected blood, semen, or vaginal fluids. Within a few weeks of HIV infection, flu-like symptoms such as fever, sore throat, and fatigue can occur. Then the disease is usually asymptomatic until it progresses to AIDS. AIDS symptoms include weight loss, fever or night sweats, fatigue, and recurrent infections. No cure exists for AIDS, but strict adherence to antiretroviral regimens, ARVs, can dramatically slow the disease's progress as well as prevent secondary infections and complications. One of the most effective ways of preventing HIV is through the use of condoms. Today I'm gonna present how to put on a condom. First, when you get your condom, you check the expiry date of the condom. Like this one, it expires in March 2015. The second, you fill the condom. You must fill a bubble in the wrap. The next thing that you need to do is open carefully. Don't use the scissors or any sharp thing or any sharp object, for it may damage the condom. You take the condom out of the wrap. If you are uncircumcised, you pull back the foreskin, and most importantly, the penis must be fully erect. The rim of the condom, this is the rim of the condom, must be outside. So this is how you put it. You roll it down the penis and the rim is outside. You pinch the top of the condom to let any air out and leave space to catch the semen. Roll it down all the way to the base, and make sure there are no tears. Your condom is still fine, it hasn't teared off, all the way to the base. If you need any lubrication, you must use silicone or water-based, for oil-based may damage the condom. And then you're ready to have sex. After sex, but before you pull out, you must make sure that you're still erect, and then you hold the base of the condom and you pull out nicely, and so that you don't get to spill the semen inside the condom. And then you can take it and then you can tie it, or you can wrap it in a toilet paper, and make sure you throw it in the dustbin, not in the toilet, for it will clog the toilet. I'm hoping my demonstration was helpful and you could understand how to put on a condom. Let's be safe and learn to wrap it up to protect our families. Thank you.